Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to work with padding in Titan Web. This is specifically related to style, so I'm going to show you two simple examples. Here we are in the canvas, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a text over here. And what I'll do is I'll go to the styling option and I'm going to give it a border. Okay, so let's pick like a color, and then I will go for this blue here, and then we will increase the radius by this much. That'll do. Okay, the point of padding here is, this is a good example. So let's say this title here, you want to move the title in the middle. So this is where you can go padding. So you access that from here and padding, and then you can move it. You can even move it top to bottom like this, or you can say, you know what, I want it right in the middle, and you go 50, and now it's in the middle. And likewise, if you want to move it to the right, you can move it to the right as well, but left is where you would predominantly start. And then if you want to move it all the way to the right, you do like this. And that's padding for you, essentially. And you can do that on many different elements. I'll give you another one here, a button. You know, let's make a button like this, go over to styling, and then you got padding available. And again, if you want to move the text all the way to the right, you can, like that. If you want to move it all the way to left, then you can do that as well. Right to left, it's completely up to you. All right, and if you want to move it top, you can do that. If you want to move it bottom, you can do that as well. So that's padding for you. It's that simple. It doesn't need to get really complicated. Simple as that. Once you've got the element, click on the style, and you can now access padding.